talk about feel-good hormones without having to add any preservatives or additives. You've got dopamine, which is our feel-good hormone, serotonin, which regulates the body, endorphins, the natural pain reliever, and oxytocin, the bonding hormone. All of those can be generated naturally. Oxytocin can simply be generated by stroking a pet, by physical affection, by seeing people, or even looking at photographs of people or memories that make us smile. Dopamine, that can be achieved by simply doing something that you feel good at doing or feel good at achieving. Serotonin is generated by going out in the sunlight, so are endorphins, and endorphins can also be generated by exercise. So, why not do all of them together? Go out in the sun, do so with friends, go for a walk, and have a laugh, and generate happiness absolutely naturally.